Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to see dislikes on YouTube. Now before I begin, I need you to know that this method will only work with Google Chrome, so if you are using any browser, it will not work. But first, before I begin, I want to show you that I don't have the dislikes displayed in numbers. So here, as you can see in this video, I do not actually have any number displaying beside the dislikes. Now, what we should do right now is to simply go and open a new tab, then go to the extensions on the top right corner, click on it, then click on manage extensions. After that, it will open this page to you. Now you'll have to choose Chrome Web Store, click on it, and after that, it will navigate you to this page. Now you will have to search for return YouTube dislike. It will pop out in the first. You just have to click on it, and after that, click on add to Chrome. Once you click on add to Chrome, click on add extension, and you are all done. Now what you should do is to simply go back to the extensions, click on it, then go to manage extensions, and make sure that it is enabled right here. And now when we go back to the video itself, then click on reload this page, the number of dislikes will be appearing like so. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.